Hi there, this is Jo Baird of Jo's Crafty Hook, and in today's video tutorial I am going to be showing you how to crochet the double crochet 3 together all in one space. Now as you can see here, this creates a nice lacy stitch, a nice lacy pattern, and as you can see here, you can see the double crochets, the 3 double crochets, and it creates a nice puffy stitch using worsted weight yarn. I use this in my lacy scarf with Trubu yarn, Lion brand Trubu yarn, and as you can see here, these are the double crochet 3 together. And with the Trubu yarn, it creates a nice lacy stitch, and you can see it a little puff here, but with it being a thinner yarn, it doesn't puff as much as the worsted weight. Okay, so I'm going to demonstrate how to do the double crochet 3 together all in one stitch. So what we're going to do is we're going to chain 11 because this stitch is a multiple of 3 plus 1. So we're going to chain 11. Okay. And next we're going to single crochet in that second chain from the hook. And then we have our single crochet. So next we're going to chain 3. We're going to skip 2 chains, and then we're going to single crochet in that next chain. We're going to chain 3. We're going to skip 2 stitches, single crochet in that next chain. We're going to chain 3, skip 2 stitches, and single crochet in that last chain. Now this is our foundation row for our double crochet 3 together. Okay, so we're going to chain 1, turn our work. We're going to single crochet in that first single crochet. Now we're going to chain 3, and this is where we're going to start our double crochet 3 together in that next single crochet. And we're going to do this all in that single crochet. So you yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through. You have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. There you have 1 double crochet. So we're going to yarn over, insert our hook into that same single crochet, yarn over, pull through. You have 4 loops, so you're going to yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and there you see the second double crochet. So we're going to yarn over, insert our hook into that same single crochet. You have 5 loops. You're going to yarn over, pull through 2, and then you're going to yarn over and pull through all 4 loops. And there you can see we have our double crochet 3 in that same stitch. So we're going to chain 3, and we're going to do the same thing in that next single crochet. So double yarn over, insert your hook in that single crochet, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. There's your first one. So you yarn over, insert into that same single crochet, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. And we're going to do that one more time in that same single crochet. And then we're going to yarn over, pull through 2 loops. And then we're going to yarn over, pull through all 4 loops. Okay, so then we're just going to chain 3 and single crochet in that last single crochet. We're going to chain 1 and turn our work. And then we're just going to create another foundation row. So we're going to single crochet in that first single crochet, chain 3, and then we're going to go into that big hole right here from our double crochet 3 together. We're just going to single crochet in there. Okay, then we're going to chain 3, and then we're going to single crochet in that hole there of that double crochet 3 together. Okay, then we're going to chain 3, single crochet in that last single crochet. Okay, and then we're just making our foundation row, and we're going to turn our work and do these double crochet 3 together on the next row. So we're going to chain 1, turn our work, single crochet in that first single crochet, chain 3. Now this is where we're going to do our double crochet 3 together, all in that same single crochet. Yarn over, insert your hook and pull through. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. There's your first one. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. There's your second one. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. And there's your third one. Then you're just going to yarn over all 4 loops, chain 3, and then we're just going to repeat that in that next single crochet. So yarn over, insert your hook, pull through. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. There's one. Yarn over, go through that same single crochet. Yarn over, pull through. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. There's your second. And then we're going to yarn over, make our third one, insert, pull through. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. And then we're going to yarn over and pull through all 4 loops. And there you can see your 3 double crochet all in one stitch. Okay, so you're just going to chain 3 and then go into that last single crochet with the single crochet. Okay, so there you have your double crochet 3 together all in one stitch. Again, this is Jo Baird, Jo's Crafty Hook. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, and watch out for our next video where we are going to double crochet 6 together all in one stitch as part of my lacy scarf crochet pattern.